Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Peacock with Xfinity in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Xfinity subscription includes Peacock access. The eligible plans may include select Xfinity internet plans, Xfinity X1, Flex or Zumo Streambox services. So eligibility can vary. So you need to sign in to your Xfinity account and check your available rewards or subscriptions. So here, first of all, you need to come on xfinity.com/your subscription. Here you need to log in into your account with your primary Xfinity ID and the password. After that, you will reach the Xfinity Stream Store where you can easily activate and manage your streaming subscriptions. So among the given options, you just have to select Premium Peacock Premium, and then you just have to click on the option of Activate button, which will be available underneath it. So after clicking on the option of Activate, you need to enter your email address that you want to use for your Peacock account. Afterwards, click on the option of Continue. Then you can create your Peacock account password and provide other account details, and then click on the option of Activate. So once the activation is completed, you can sign in into your Peacock Premium account with the help of that email address, and it will basically confirm the activation. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.